Hey, Frank.
What are you doing, man?
Look at this.
What the heck is that?
What is this door doing here?
Oh my gosh, man.
I tell you what.
Little mini door.
Meet me around the other side. Let's go through it.
All right, man.
Hey, Frank.
Oh,
that little door is so cool.
Yeah, you found the right door, man.
Yeah, this time I did.
You can fit through that one.
So, this is the 298 bunkhouse.
Okay.
By Astoria.
Yeah.
It is a half-ton towable.
Right.
If you have the right half-ton.
Yeah.
So, just like last time, we're going to walk around the outside of this.
Yep.
Check it out. One thing we really like is the solid steps here. They're called hybrid steps.
Yeah.
These are not the same that have this handle here, but they have a little catch here. So they're easier as well.
They are, yeah.
298 bunkhouse.
Okay.
This is probably about what, 33 foot?
Yeah. Yeah, perfect size, man.
Yep. I like the transom windows, in lack of a better word.
Yeah.
Because that's your kitchen.
Yeah, that's nice, Larry.
But you also, football season's coming up.
It is, man.
Got your awning going out.
Yep.
Put your TV right here. Watch TV while you're cooking.
Oh, yeah, man.
There you go.
Yep, it's all in one right there.
Yes. Nice aluminum rims. I like those.
Yeah, they're good. That smoke gray.
Yeah,
that's nice.
Little door fridge out here. But one thing we noticed earlier, it's actually got a little freezer up there because it's got these
It's like little pebble ice makers, trays.
Little ice trays.
Yeah,
yes.
we just noticed that.
Maybe one drink. That's it.
Yeah, ain't much, but that's okay.
But it's all underneath the awning.
Yeah, it is.
Get your TV going.
Right.
Get your lawn chairs out.
I noticed those speakers too, Larry, right there.
Oh.
They blend right in. So
there you go.
It's got two speakers. Yeah, that's nice.
They try. It's the mafia hiding them.
Yeah, somebody's hiding them.
But you also got the channel rail here.
Oh, yeah, we know what that's for.
Flat top griddle.
Yep.
And then it's cast iron. Now they actually pre-season.
I seen that on the box, man. Pre-season.
That is pretty cool.
Yeah, I wish mine was.
Because I know mine is like, ugh.
Mine's pretty bad, too.
Now, this actually has electric stabilizers.
Yep.
So it's not self-leveling, but a unit this size,
yeah,
we're trying to bring it at a certain price point.
Sure.
Why spend all that money for self-leveling?
Correct.
So,
yep.
Now, another nice thing about this hitch on the back. Say, what were you talking about earlier? Bring your four-wheeler with you?
Oh, yeah, that's a beautiful, man, because what is it, 3,000 pounds?
3,000 pounds.
Yeah, and it's already got the wiring, everything.
Yes, the 4-pin.
Yeah, that's nice, man.
Side by side, you can do your boat.
Right.
I don't know if I'd want a triple tow, but with a fifth wheel, it's a little bit better than a pull behind.
We've seen it before done.
It is set up for your backup camera.
Nice.
But also you do have an actual ladder. You don't have that Lippert ladder.
Yeah.
So that's rather nice that it already comes with one.
Full walkable roof.
50 amp service.
Oh, man, that's nice.
And on-demand water heater again.
We love those.
Now, I know we were joking earlier.
Sure.
But I tell you what, that's your bunk room in there.
Wow, man.
Throw stuff in here before you go camping.
Yeah.
Throw your bikes inside.
I can't wait to show them the inside of there, man.
Yes.
That's cool. There's a little sneak peek.
Yeah.
That's going to be nice.
No stairs, though.
Right. Also, Larry, I see it's got slide topper.
We talk about that all the time, man.
Right.
Dutchmen's got it going on.
They give you a lot, man. We always say that for the money.
Biggest bang for your buck.
Yeah, they really do. And good quality.
Now, this is a 4-season trailer.
Right.
Camper. But what I also like.
Oh, that motion light.
Everything's right here.
Yeah.
Everything comes up from the bottom. Little cap comes right off. Your water comes in the unit. You got your city water connection. Your gate valves are in the underbelly as well. So that's very nice. And still, aluminum framing underneath.
Oh, yeah.
But look at the size of that pass-through.
Oh, man. That's big. That's not. It's so clean, too, man.
I want to grab that screw, though.
Yeah.
Take for somebody to mess up that line out.
That's very clean, too.
But that is very nice. This has 2 30-pound tanks of propane.
Okay.
And what I also like is the baggage door handles.
Right. Got nice slam locks. Yeah.
Yes. Now, Oh, did you get a shot of the light?
No,
there?
let me get that, Larry.
That LED lights?
And this in the daytime. I mean, that is so pretty, man.
That's pretty cool.
And it does say right on top, half-ton towable.
Yeah.
So it is. The company's even saying it. So Dutchman's telling you, you can tow this with the right half-ton.
But we know that's the key word, the right one.
Oh, sure it is. Yep.
But, man, that looks good.
That's pretty. Yeah, man. That's nice.
Now, this also has an upgraded kingpin. This is the Kurt Rotoflex.
Yeah.
And it's taking out some of that road shock.
Right.
When you're going down the road. Phew, especially on 58.
Oh, God, these roads are rough.
Anyway.
Man. I just came back from a road trip. Good God.
That's right. You went in your 4x4.
Yeah, man.
3-year structural warranty.
Yeah, that's a good one.
1 year comprehensive.
Mm-hmm.
You got solar on the roof already.
Okay.
I think it's a 200-watt solar panel.
Yeah.
But if you want to add some, you could put another briefcase solar panel on this one.
Oh, yeah, that's nice.
So, before we turn everything else on,
yes,
we notice it has lights underneath the steps.
Yeah, that's cool, man.
Nice night light.
Yeah.
Don't have to worry about walking up the stairs
and tripping.
Stubbing your toe or something. Right. Plus, you do have this oversized rail here.
Yeah. I always like that rail, Larry.
That light's pretty cool.
No, that's neat, man. And the nice thing, too, is you can kick your shoes off, hide them underneath there.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
That's really nice.
You're camping, so it should be hiking shoes, maybe some flip-flops.
There you go, man. Mine's going to be flip-flops.
All right. It's kind of like the other Astoria that we have with this U-shape, kind of half a U dinette.
I like that, man.
But that is cool.
Yeah.
And you can break it down into another bed.
Right, which that's neat, man. Yeah.
So you can actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if me and Frank are coming with you, we're sleeping on a recliner.
Oh, yeah.
So you sleep 10 in here.
Which that's amazing for a 30-something foot, you know, small, under 35 foot.
Exactly.
Fifth wheel, man.
So this is nice, but it's also nice that it's raining outside like today.
Oh, yeah.
Hurricane Debbie or whatever tropical
Something's
storm.
coming from Florida. Yeah.
It's going to be raining later on today, so we want to get this done before it started raining here.
Right.
But say, had a couple chairs sit here.
Sure.
You can play a game of cards.
Right.
Perfect.
Oh, yeah, man.
Now, I've sat in these.
Mm-hmm.
I think you have too, Frank. These are actually nice recliners.
Oh, yeah.
The blackout blinds as well. Got a place for your
remotes. Yeah.
Yep. But those are really comfortable.
They are.
Thomas Paine collection.
Sure.
Mm-hmm. And this is basically standard nowadays.
Yeah.
The 10 cubic foot, 12-volt refrigerator.
Yep. You're right.
Nice size.
Pretty standard.
Yes, it is.
Which is nice because everybody needs a big refrigerator. I agree, man.
And you know, the old propane electric ones, they still had that fin on the top.
Yeah.
Kind of takes up all that top shelf.
It really did.
So I like this. And to be honest, Frank, I can't get this thing down. That's why I left it off.
Okay, sure.
But you do have this shelf here.
Right.
For extra room for I don't know, stacking up dishes before you
whatever.
Them, I guess.
Sure, yeah. Or the ones you drive.
But break this down.
Yep.
Or there's just enough room for a little trash can right here.
That makes sense right there, Larry. Trash can. Yep.
Oh, or right there.
Oh, wow. I love how they do it clean under there. When I mean clean, they don't have the plumbing in the way. Right. Or the water lines. That's super nice, man.
And then, of course, you do have enough cabinets here. You do have the fireplace, which puts out 5,000 BTU.
Oh, look at that drawer, man.
Drawer in here.
Yeah.
I don't know. This would be a catch-all for me, I'll be honest.
Yeah, that's pretty cool, man.
But just like that other unit we were doing the other day, you got enough counter space to set up a buffet.
Yeah, for sure.
You could stream it right across there.
Now that is, Larry.
And that TV is actually on a swing arm. So if you're sitting over there on a dinette, you can pull it out as well.
Right.
And be able to see it without having to...
And you know I love the windows, too, in the kitchen, man. You got dual windows in this sucker, man.
Yes.
I mean, that's really cool. And yeah, what a pretty RV.
Your tower of power.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Yep, so you can plug your coffee pot, whatever in there, phones, and throw your phone on top of it, charge it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's neat.
Oh, by the way, 33 foot, right?
Yeah.
Still has 2 ACs.
Oh, my goodness. There's one of them.
Yeah.
All right, so the other one must be in the main.
One thing.
Yeah.
You know, like I said before, think about it. When it's raining outside,
sure,
what are the kids going to be doing?
Right. Playing games.
At least they have a couch to sit on.
Oh, they got a couch in here, huh?
Yes. TV would go right here over the Hobbit door.
Sure.
Right here.
Right. Right across from the couch.
If they had their tablet, something like that, they could do it and then say it's time for bed.
Sure.
All you'd have to do, just like a futon or a
oh my goodness, man.
Perfect. So
that is nice, man.
1, 2, maybe.
Sure.
3, 4, 5, I know.
Yeah, this is nice having this L-shaped bunk room.
Yeah.
Very good, man.
And
it's ducted for AC in here. Oh, yeah, perfect, Larry.
But you also have your wardrobe right there.
Oh, yeah, that's nice.
I don't know if you picked up on this.
Oh, wow.
Heat vents in the wall.
Oh, yeah, that'll run you out of here.
Floor.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah.
That makes so much nicer. I don't like them in the floor that much. It just it gets soft, easy.
For pets.
Yeah, stuff gets in it too easy.
If you sweep it up your camper.
No, that's the way to go right there.
Will end up in that
I'm with you. Nice little ladder set up. Yeah, kids will love this part, Larry.
In fact, you just noticed it's 500 pounds.
Yeah, man, that's some heavy rating there, buddy.
Yes.
So, yeah, they can hold the kids, no problem. All right, so coming up here, Larry, I know you're in the bathroom here, man.
You know why?
But check it out, man.
I have headroom.
Oh, buddy, you got a lot. That's about 7 foot, man. Good golly. Yeah, and that's nice. You don't have a big step up.
Right.
Nice glass doors on it.
Got enough elbow room.
Oh, yeah, man.
Yeah,
you shower for days in that sucker, man.
There you go.
Yep, got nice towel holders over here.
Your octopus towel.
Yeah, man. So that's really nice. Tooled in the right spot, right behind it.
And straight across from the heat, too.
Oh, yeah, man. Got your nice vanity. Yeah, that's nice, man.
All right, Frank, check this out.
Wow, man.
Queen size bed.
Yeah.
Overhead cabinets.
Sure.
But I like the side tables.
Yeah, that's nice.
With doors underneath so you can store more.
Oh, yeah.
Stuff. USB ports, GFI receptacles.
Yeah.
And I believe that's invertered.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it is.
So this will work off the solar, off the battery as well.
That's very cool. And there's your second AC, which that's nice.
Right? And then, did you see underneath the bed?
No, what you got? Oh, my goodness.
Look at all that storage down there.
Man. And there's your seasoned griddle. And
your 50 amp cord, your hose.
Heck yeah, man.
That's handles.
Super nice.
Yes.
Got your nice blackout shades in there. Yeah, very cool, Larry. His and hers lights. Oh, no, that just has the one. That's cool.
And look at I like the motion sensor night lights.
Oh, yeah, man.
But
so
this is also set up for a washer and dryer.
Oh, wow, man. And super cool.
That's pretty good space.
That is. And I like the dresser drawers, too, underneath it.
Yes.
And then what else is nice, too? You have your own thermostat in here, Larry. Most you don't, you know what I mean? You have to turn it up here.
Yeah.
This actually, you have your own thermostat just like a home.
Oh, cool.
So that makes it super nice also.
Yeah, yeah.
And your TV hookup's right across from the bed. So you can probably fit about a 32, maybe a little bigger.
Oh, yeah.
Somewhere
but
right
you're
there.
Right there.
So yeah, you're right here. So 32 is plenty. No. But what a cool bedroom,
what I like about this counter, I've just thought of this.
Yeah.
It's like a whitewash look.
Yeah, it is. It almost comes through. You know, it's natural looking. That's what I like. Yeah. Yep. So it doesn't show dirt or scuffs too bad.
So I tell you what, let's go over the specs with everybody.
Yeah, come on, Larry.
And see what kind of payment we get on this.
Sounds good, man. Let's go check it out.
Man, you look comfortable.
I'll tell you what, Larry. Man, this material and this, buddy, this is nice.
Right?
So I'll tell you what, the specs on this, Larry, this is super nice. So this is a 2025, like you said. So we are getting ahead of the ball game. So if you guys want to come out and check out the new 25s, don't need to go to a show. We got them here.
We have more coming.
We got more. One showed up while we were doing this video. So they're coming in. They're trickling in every day.
Yeah.
So this is the Dutchmen Astoria 298 BH, 34 in length, Larry.
Oh, I thought it was 33.
Yeah, it was close, man. Yeah. You know, give or take, but it says 34. And the weight on it's super light. So you're only talking 8280 on this.
Dry weight.
Dry weight.
And the pin weight.
Pin weight's around what, 1,400, 1,500?
I think it's like 1,500.
Yeah.
But still, like we said, the right half ton.
And that's the big key, man. Here, we're going to make sure you're safe. We're not going to tell you, yes, you can tow it. we're going to look up the specs of your truck and make sure you can tow it.
The biggest thing is your cargo rating.
That is the biggest thing, Larry. Correct. We know the motors can handle it.
Yeah.
It's more or less the cargo.
Okay.
So on this one, you're looking at a payment roughly around $374 to $400, Larry.
For a fifth wheel.
For a fifth wheel of this caliber, man.
Wow.
I mean, that's super good payments. 7.99 APR, give or take.
Right.
Could be,
down?
yeah, it could get a little better. I mean, could go up, could go down.
The stock market today.
But I tell you what, I fight for you, and I do the best I can to get you the best rates out there, and we're very competitive. So I tell you what, if you guys like this one or want to come out and see more, you just get with me and Larry, and if you would, please like, share, and thumbs up this video.
There you go.
Appreciate it.